Hello my peeps, welcome back to my channel, and this is your beautiful girl Sunny doing her fashion vlog. She's doing it for back to school, and that two-piece she got from Urban Kids with her Adidas sneakers and her dollar store bow. Now this next suit she got from Once Upon a Child, and she's pairing her jacket she got from Urban Kids as well. Very fashionable, very beautiful. It's coming on to fall now, so you can wear it with your jeans jacket. You can wear it both ways, with or without. Now these beautiful jeans, they're ripped jeans, and they're coming from Urban Kids with her bow in her hair and her Monster High t-shirt. She's pairing it up with her Adidas from Winners, and there you go with the Canadian flag in the background flying high. This dressing is very nice for the fall. You just need a sweater and you're good to go. Beautiful water. Now we're at the riverside, and these ripped jeans, beautiful. And she's pairing it with her long sleeve. They're mesh with patterns on it with the blouse, and she's just doing her stuff. Very beautiful, very nice. It's very nice for summer and fall because the sleeve or mesh, you can just roll them up if you like, or you can just leave them like that. Very nice, very beautiful. Now these boots are very beautiful. She got them from Payless. Beautiful, very fashionable. And she's dressing them up with her tutu blue skirt and her sleeveless jeans jacket. And she's wearing that undershirt red blouse she got from Urban Kids. Very beautiful, very nice. Now she's showing you how you can wear it without the jeans jacket. Also, you can just put a flip-flop or a sneakers on if you like, depends on your choice. Now she's showing you how you can wear it without the jeans jacket. She is beautiful. Now this next suit, she got this skirt from Once Upon a Child, and I paired the blouse. I think she got the blouse from Walmart. I paid like $4.99 or $4 plus tax. And she's just pairing it up with this beautiful tutu skirt, this nice bow in her hair from the dollar store. Very nice for back to school, very simple, and she's beautiful. Now she's showing you how you can wear the jacket over your shoulder, or you can wear it without. Now this tutu skirt she paired up before with that pink Monster High blouse. Now she's rocking it with this t-shirt. You can dress it up, and it has two sides. You can wear it on both sides if you like. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Thanks for watching my mom's channel, and please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.